So that's where, is that where the fuel goes, or is that?
Yeah, that's where the fuel goes.
Okay, cool. Yeah, diesel.
But it's hydraulic. See, there's that little.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Really, so it's right in the middle. It's right in the middle.
But it does have a leak some oil, and I'm not sure where.
Okay. Hydraulic fluid?
Man,
probably.
I can't even be.
I get you.
He was like, but he took good. He took pretty good care of it to me.
It looks clean, man. It only has 860 hours.
Yeah, he took real good care of it. Man, I wish you had some money to go with that 45. I'd give you a trailer. It's a nice little trailer.
It's a Pendle hitch trailer.
Got a Tyler too.
Right.
I'd like to just sell them all, but I mean, I'll let it go because I got other equipment I can pull around with it. But all I'm caring about right now is the dump trailer.
I understand that, 100%. A dump trailer, it's made my business go from here to here.
Oh my!
I promise you. So I'm hauling off like drywall now, like 7,000 pounds of drywall the other day, right? Studs, 2x4, just remodel stuff, you know? Making a shit ton of money doing that. You know what I mean?
Crazy.
If you have a dump trailer,
dude, you gotta hit the button.
It's $85 to dump it.
It's not the same though, but I had a dump truck.
Right.
And it was cool. It was an old school 1957 Chevy dump truck. It was cool. It was like the dump, but the load capacity wasn't as much. I don't think as. Okay.
I get that.
Gonna see. We gotta do some batteries still.
It's close.
I'm gonna do that start.
Oh, the start fluid again?
Yeah.
She may go now. Up and down. Hydraulics work good.
I think I got a box of nails in there.
Oh shit.
Got the box of nails.
Bring it down, bring it down. That's it. Good? 1 second, yeah. Alright. Bucket's bent a little bit. Not bad though. Hydraulics are not bad at all. They're really good. The motor sounds really good. They're pretty good operating it. Do what?
Can I just let it straight down?
Yeah, I'll move this. Motor sounds clean. Nothing coming out from that. Right. I get that. Smells good.